Welcome to 109 South Zuni Trail in Northwest Fort Worth. I'm Mark Costello with the Costello Group. We're powered by Showstopper Realty. Today we're in a Steiner subdivision, again Northwest Fort Worth, just minutes from interstates 820 and 30. I hate to call this a subdivision. Here in Steiner you'll find half-acre to 10-acre lots, mature trees, privacy, no HOA, plenty of space, plenty of room for the kids and the pets. In the last 10 years, only 7 homes have come to market inside of Steiner. This is your opportunity to purchase your forever home, just like all of your neighbors have. 109 South Zuni offers one of the most flexible floor plans there is anywhere in the Metroplex. It's certainly the most flexible and unique floor plan anywhere nearby. This home is just under 3,000 square feet, sits on just under an acre, offers a 4 or a 5 bedroom floor plan, has 3.5 baths and an incredible flex space. Come on inside, we'll take a look. Welcome in. Once inside, you'll find a perfect blend of a traditional and craftsman home, brought together all under one roof to provide the best multi-generational living floor plan anywhere around. You have separate masters, totally split on opposite ends of the house. 2 full masters, 3.5 bathrooms in this floor plan. All right, here in the kitchen, it's been completely transformed from the frosted quartz countertops to the accented kitchen island. You have plenty of natural light with your 3 French doors. This natural light floods from front to back of the home. It makes it very open, easy to keep an eye on the kids and the pets, and overlooking your huge backyard. Immediate access to your 20-foot stone patio. This is a multi-level home and it provides us with this flex space down here. This is the most unique room in the house. It's one of the most unique things about any home on the market anywhere close to nearby. You won't find this, especially we already have 2 separate masters. This could be a 3rd master, it could be a schoolroom. It has its own bathroom, it has its own private access to outside. You could rent this room out. It'd be a great home office, a man cave, a craft room, anything you need it to be, and you won't find this anywhere else close by in the Metroplex, especially at this price point. So here we are in the backyard. Again, huge backyard, mature trees, plenty of space for the kids, for the pets, play sets, pool. Here behind us is the shell of the workshop. So again, you have the opportunity to make this space anything you want it to be. So if you need something to get the creative juices going, find us on Facebook. You can search this house, 109 Zuni Trail on Facebook. There'll be renderings of pools, man cave, the whole 9 yards on there. So let the imagination go wherever you need it to go. For private showings or more information, you can call me, 225-287-0883, 225-287-0883, or find us at movingthemetroplex.com.